Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Mic check it loud. Hi everyone! Welcome to Japanese Kanji time. Today we are going to review N4 Kanji. Let's go! Oh, if you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means convenience letter. The on reading for this kanji is ben or bin, as in benri, which means convenient. And the kun reading for this kanji is tayo, as in tayori, meaning letter. Letter in Japanese is tegami, but also tayori. Tayori sounds more polite. Tayori. Borrow, rent. On reading for this kanji is shaku, as in shakin, meaning debt. Kun reading for this kanji is ka, as in kariru, meaning to borrow. お金を借りて借金をしてしまった。To borrow money and be in debt. This kanji means work. On reading for this kanji is do, as in 労働 meaning labor. When you see a person that's doing labor, you call them 労働者. Kun reading for this kanji is 働, as in 働く meaning to work. Work, 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 work. This kanji means beginning, former time, and origin. On reading for this kanji is 元 or 元, as in 元気 meaning fine. 元気, 元気. Kun reading for this kanji is 元 as in 地元 local, hometown. This kanji means older brother, big brother. On reading for this kanji is 兄 kyō, as in 兄弟, meaning brother, sibling. Kun reading for this kanji is 兄 ni, as in お兄さん, meaning older brother. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 元気、お兄さん、働く、頼り、借りる。Now, say the meaning of the following words. 借金、debt、便利、convenient、兄弟、brother、sibling、地元、local、hometown、労働、labor. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. どうも見てくれてありがとうございます。See you next time. Don't forget to like the video. Bye for now. またね。バイバイ。Boom.